Z-Axis assembles printed circuit boards on panels or arrays that contain multiple identical boards. By processing PCBs this way, we work more efficiently than handling one board at a time. This approach saves labor since there's just one panel to load and unload during production. Panels also come in handy when parts are so close to the edges of boards that frames or fixtures are needed for clearance and gripping. When assembly is complete, individual boards need to be separated in a process known as depaneling. This requires care and precision because of mechanical stresses in the boards. Most rectangular PCBs are V-scored to show where separation should occur. Still, bending and snapping a board can damage its surface-mounted components, solder joints, or traces. That's why Z-Axis uses special tools and equipment to separate boards with less bending stress. Depending on the board, we use a guillotine or pizza cutter. The guillotine machine is used for thin boards and cuts with a pair of sharp, opposing blades. The pizza cutter is used for thicker boards and has a pair of rotary blades that look like a pizza slicer. When boards have curves and other shapes that come pre-routed, often with tabs and drilled perforations, we use a special hook tool that removes the tabs. These methods still put some mechanical stress on the boards, but there is a stress-free way to depanel PCBs without risking damage to sensitive parts such as ceramic capacitors or end caps on resistors. UV laser depaneling makes very precise, narrow cuts in any shape, while holding very tight tolerances in the finished assembly. This helps designers maximize the use of board space. Whether your printed circuit boards are large, small, thick, or thin, Z-Axis uses the best methods to depanel them with speed and efficiency.